welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be vlogging. You'll be coming with me shopping, and I am so sorry I'm probably not an angle, not have a great lighting, but yeah, we're gonna be vlogging, shopping. I just got my hair done. I went to get a keratin and it's like pin straight and very annoying, but I'm very excited about that, and I hope everyone gives it a like. And yeah, I'll be going to the Louis Vuitton store. I'm gonna stop by, I don't know what other store, so I don't want to mention and then I don't go. So but for sure I'll be stopping right now at the Louis Vuitton store, and I'll be going to get my little tag that I have for my Louis Vuitton bandolier bag. I want to get a hot stamp, so that's what I'll be doing, and I'm very excited. And let's see how it goes. Let's see what kind of prints or stuff they have. I've never done anything like this, and yeah, and I am gonna use that as an accessory, so that's why I want to get a hot stamp. I was in another video I did mention I was gonna put my what's it called, my initials and my soulmate's initials, but if I ever do want to sell it, I don't think someone would want our initials, like, come on. So I'll be putting probably hearts, or I don't know, I really don't know, probably hearts. But yeah, I'm gonna take you with me, and yeah, let's go, guys. So we just came out of the Louis Vuitton store. Yay! And yeah, let's see. I already got my little hearts. I'll show you when I get in the car, and I will keep vlogging. So if you don't know, I do live in New York, and yeah, why is this making so much noise? Let's go see what else can we find. So pretty. Outfit of the day. We are in Forever 21, and I don't know about this skirt. It looks kind of weird, loose in some places, and yeah, that's a problem we are not fixing. So goodbye, white skirt. I try to make it work, but it doesn't go up. Too bad. Next. Outfit numero dos. And I don't know about this, but guys, it's not, I thought it was gonna be more comfy, but it's just not slouchy enough. I don't know, I'm not feeling it, guys. So I think we're gonna have to let this one go as well. And yeah, that's it. That's a no. this one is a sexy one. However, a thick girl and crop top sometimes doesn't work. I don't know about this shirt, it's just the girls are kind of out and they are not in place. So I think we are gonna have to say no to this one as well. Sad story of my life. Yup. Bye-bye. So literally, there are so many people in the mall and it's insane, insane. And I just saw a girl using a comb from Forever 21 brushing her hair. Like, ew, what are you doing? But yeah, people are staring at me, so I'm not used to this, guys. So adios. This one is kind of making me feel kind of pretty. It looks good. Thick girl gone wild. But I don't know. It's just like not feeling it. I'm trying to tuck in my shirt, but it's not like giving me the vibe I need. So it's a no. Bye-bye. What do you guys think? Look at this one. This one. Look how beautiful. My type of section. Clearance. Oh, these are 7.5. They're not me. Toms, look at these. Oh yes. Can you call Vogue? These. Oh, these are nice. Ooh, look at these. Should she like these? No. What's up, guys? I am back and I am so tired. I literally shopped till I drop. I am exhausted. I have like no makeup on and it's like all like melting out of my face. That's how tired I am, and it's at night. So I will be showing you all the things I got really quick before I could go and knock out. So yeah, I mean I literally dropped, and I'm saying that because I dropped food on the brown jacket you see on the video. I dropped food. I was walking with food like this, like being cute, and everything fell on my jacket. It wasn't good, but it's okay. So I will be showing you the things I got in Louis Vuitton. I went in the Gucci store. I did not film in the Gucci store. I'm sorry, guys. It was just so hard. I did not know it's so hard to like vlog. People stare at you. And duh, like, of course, who wouldn't stare at you if you're like talking like this with a phone in your face, right? Because I was using my phone. So I did go in the Louis Vuitton store. The Louis Vuitton store was so packed, so packed. And you know, between you and I think that the experience I had with the Louis Vuitton store I went to and the Gucci store I visited, I ended coming out of the Gucci store with a cup of water, a little glass of water that they offered. They were so nice. Louis Vuitton store was just like, there's too many people. It was crazy. And it was just, it looked chaotic. The employees they were tired. They were trying to be nice. And they were nice, but I just saw that they were like, I don't know, it was just weird. And between Gucci and Louis Vuitton, I'd rather go in the Gucci store. 10 times better. The lady there, she helped me. She gave me some bags to try on that I was considering purchasing, but they didn't kind of look good in my body shape, and it was weird. I tried the disco, the Marmont one, and it was just too short when I put it crossbody, so I didn't like that. So I ended up just leaving it there, but I did come out with a bottle of water, so that was pretty nice of her. But yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. I told you guys that I was going to a Louis Vuitton store to actually get the hot stamp, so that's what I'm going to be showing you. They did put it back in my nice box, and they gave me a new what's it called, a little dust bag, and she told me not to store it in box and not to store my bags in boxes just because they will get cracked. So FYI, if you didn't know that. So this is what I got. And there was so many, I'll insert a picture. There was so many things to choose from, so many symbols, so many letters, and obviously all the letters, and you can put numbers and all of that. But I decided, like I told you before, to put the hearts, and this is how it looks. Look how beautiful that is. I put those hearts. And I'll be using this this little tag on my bandolier bag that I purchased from Fashion File, that I still haven't gotten in the mail yet. But I'm ready. I'm ready for you, baby. Come to mama. So I'm excited about that, guys. I am really so excited. You know, I wasn't raised with all these luxury stuff. So when I'm able to purchase something and save my money and actually buy these things, like, I really I'm very grateful for that. Okay, the next thing I got was I went into Charlotte Russe, and I got these Gucci dupes, I guess you can say. They kind of, it cost me $24.05. Oh, and by the way, guys, this was free. If you go in the store with the stuff, and the guy was actually trying to ask for my receipt, but I didn't have it, but he said it was fine, and that was free. That's a free service they offer for your bags, for tags, for anything like that could get hot stamped. But Anyways, forward to the shoes. These are the shoes I got. Pretty self-explanatory. They have the buckle. I really like them. They even like bend, so you know these are gonna be comfortable. I know the bag was kind of hurting me a little bit, but I have to break them in. But I'm very excited about these. I'm very excited. They were, with tax and everything, 24 bucks. So I'm excited about these. The next thing, I went into Forever 21. And in Forever 21, I really don't, I think I don't fit in anymore. I could find, I guess, some stuff here and there, but I just don't see myself actually. Oh, I'm gonna go straight to, for you know, I just, maybe I feel old being a bit, I don't know. But I did find these nice shoes for the summer or the spring. These pink shoes right here. They are velvet. Well, probably not real velvet, but they are these nice type velvet, and they really look nice on your feet. And I like this color because I always get, in the summer, I get French pedicures, and with these they'll look great. And I love that. I was looking for something like that. Also in Charlotte Russe, I got these sandals, which I wanted some black basic sandals for when I go get my pedicures and all of that. I got these. So they are just, they're like synthetic. They're not real leather, obviously. And lastly, I went to many stores, but guys, I didn't really end up buying a lot of stuff just because broke girl over here. But so I went into this other store, Aeropostal, in Spanish, Aeropostal. So I went into this store, and they were having 60% off, and I got these, I got a lot of flats. Oh my god, I just got all shoes. I just noticed that. But these are very sparkly. They are so pretty on your feet. Just look at these. Look at that. They are so pretty. And with a pedicure and with a French pedicure, they will look amazing. That's why I got these, because I've been looking for some good, like really cute flip-flops. I was gonna get I was debating on getting Tory Burch flip-flops or these, but Tory Burch are like, I think they were like $48 flip-flops, and these are like $6, and they have sparkles, and Tory Burch doesn't have sparkle. So sparkle all the way, baby. And that's about it. That's all the things I got. I did get a pretzel, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you like my videos. Also, please leave a nice comment, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.